If you want to subscribe to the live screen sharing room on DAX and watch every day the live trades I do on time during the market hours, the first hour of cash trading and then US session, and why I'm taking these trades, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click this on the pinned tweet here, this link which will prompt you to a PayPal subscription service which is have a small description here, and the first 2 days is free, then you can have free cancellation if you wish so, and then it's just 19 euros a month. So if you click login here, then this will prompt you to a subscription details, and then you will need to let me know about this so I can send you the password, and so you can be able to log in every day and watch the live screen sharing. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel here, which I upload every day the video after what happened after the European cash market closes, and this is the link here of the everyday recording after the market closes. So this is just free, you can feel free to go here and just watch this. Okay, hello everyone. So price open within Friday's range here, and it's just inside value of Friday session. So we need to see if price will manage to go above initial balance high at the cash open and holds above to go long for a move up to Friday's high, which is the weekly high as well, 720s or so, and see what price does there, if it holds resistance and then breakouts for continuation. Also, if we would like to have a look on the medium term picture here on the 30-minute chart, you can see we're just again in the middle of this medium term consolidation range from 500s up to 900s. We're just at 700s. So we had an attempt to break this on Friday, so we'd like to see if this will be able to break it out today and go towards 800s and 900s eventually sometime this week. Also we have a gap here at 800s. If we would like to have a look on the daily chart here with the Bollinger Bands, we can see once again we held support below this multi-week consolidation area and now trading above here and above middle Bollinger Band. So we need to see if we have a move further upside towards this 900s area and previous swing highs here. Price pushed higher here just before the cash open. We need to see if this will just fully reverse towards the cash open or if it will hold above 700s here in order to go long. So we'll give it a couple of minutes to see how this will react. This is the long position here for a potential breakout of initial balance high. Entry at 98. Let's see if it goes straight upside here and break out, or if it have a pullback first. Price pushing even before the cash open, so let's see if it continues higher. Flatten the long here, straight resistance, so let's give it some time to see where it finds support and initiate another long perhaps. This was just a fake out for now. If another retest will happen here, should see this breaking out eventually, so let's see. Reset the long position once again here for potential breakout. Price held support at the midpoint of initial balance. Let's see straight breakout now. Key level to hold is above 700s. Entry is at 96 here, just below initial balance high. That was the intention of the first trade here, although washed out and then breaking out straight up. First target scaled out. Now we need to see if we go up to 720s and if it spikes further from there, as some sorts will be having stops there potentially. So let's see. Key to hold for this is above 700s. Holding above so far, initiated another long here at 98s additional to the first one, so let's see if it gives us a 720 sprint. This will be nice breakout trade. Scale out further the position here, now waiting to for this to develop towards the upside and take out Friday's highs here. Seeing some hesitation for price to extend above 700, key level to hold this initial balance high here for continuation, so something like this. Otherwise this will fail and goes towards VWAP, then inside the range again. Flatten the rest of the position here, no reason to hold this. Would like to see if we'll go short here against 700s. Let's see how this will play out because it's just failed above. Initiated a short position here against 700 initial balance high. The information we've got so far is that price extended up to 700, although failed to extend higher. We need to see though here is this key level, if it has a continuation or if it goes just inside the balance again. Out of the short here above 700, initiated another long here immediately just against this initial balance low 95s for continuation. So if this is about to hold the support here and continue higher, we'll see eventually the breakout. Not the best directional cash open at the moment, so let's see. Out of the long here, no reason to hold for a few points, so let's give it some time to see how this will develop because it seems like a small range day so far, so let's see. Initiated one more long 705 this time against initial balance high. Let's see if it gives the breakout. So price held support here at 700s, although every attempt of a breakout immediately was reversing. This is not easy to hold if you of course bought at the highs, so that's why you're anticipating a trade and then you're going before this happens. So question now is if we flash straight through yesterday's Friday's highs and the weekly high, and what it does if it goes all the way up to 800s eventually. Scale out first target here. Now we need to see the breakout of Friday's highs here. If we have a look on the 5-minute chart here, you can see once opened this morning, price just generally going higher. Of course, we had some pullbacks which make you question the trend higher. So let's see if this pace and style will continue and we just grind higher. So price just slowly pushing towards the highs every time here. We need to see if it manages to break this out. This is like absorbing every short here and then pushing it slowly higher. The worst thing you can do is to go against this basically. So let's see if it gives the breakout of Friday's highs and if it holds above for further upside. Okay, so here we got a few minutes until the first hour, the turn of the first hour of cash trading. You can see price just holding above 700s here and just going sideways here. Not the most exciting trading session, although the trend is clearly above VWAP and 700, so would not recommend to do anything else rather than see if pullbacks can hold and price eventually goes higher. Also, if we see the bigger picture here on the weekly profile, you can see just at the highs of previous weeks, so anticipating a breakout, perhaps price can go up to 800s, this gap fill here from 2 weeks back. So if this is to remain in a trend manner, trend style of trading session, we should see this slow consolidation sideways, then new breakout higher, slow sideways, new breakout higher, and generally sometime in shorts will give up and price will have some spikes like this one here. You can see a spike higher, then second spike held, third try had a volume inside the candle, so this means short covered here. So likely to see this going towards the upside, I suppose. So still holding the long position from 704. So would like to remain with this bias towards the upside, unless we see a sharp pullback or something like this. Not the most exciting open though. Okay, so here we are a few hours later, just a few minutes before the US cash open. You can see since this 700s breakout here, price managed to break out weekly highs, 720s and Friday's highs, and went 45 degrees angle straight up here up to 800s. I managed to flatten the position at every SPY and exaggeration of the price, then flatten the rest of the position up to 790s from down to 704s. So 85 points or so of final target here, very nice trading. So the question now will be if we have any kind of top here at short-term top at 800 during the US session, or if this will manage once again to just go straight up and up. Also we have the exhaustion here according to statistics. You can see price it's almost 80% since the first hour of cash trading high exhaustion range, so this has less chances to go higher. Also if we have a look on the medium term picture again, the 30-minute chart here, you can see, as I was talking even from previous week, about this middle of consolidation, of medium term consolidation. We broke out today 700s, now just up to 800, so the top of this range is up to 900. Not sure if this will get today just straight up, but if we look on the 30-minute chart here, you can see every 30-minute candle just closed to the green. Here you can see straight up. This is called one-time framing, which means the current candle never broke and closed below the previous candle's low. So we have straight up. It's better to wait and see how this will develop now, rather than trying to catch the top or something like this. Imagine trying to short this at every little pullback during the day and then getting stopped out like 100 times and this went like forever, the whole day up. So let's see how this will trade now. If we would like to have a look also on the daily chart here once again, now since the open this morning, you can see just open, not even a tick lower, and then straight up. Now question is if it goes up to 900, seems already above 800 here, so let's see if it has continuation. Initially the long position here at 804, just below the US cash opening price here at 97, so there's nothing else to do, I think, rather than waiting for this trend line to break towards the downside. Until this happens, the only scenario is go long. If I'm not mistaken, this just not stop me out and then continue higher. So entry 804, stop down to 94 basically. So let's see if this can continue higher and higher here at this like very methodical manner. Stopped out of the long trade here above 800s, although haven't scaled out for a tick or so, first target. Now we need to see if this just will consolidate sideways at 800 level, SPY new all-time high straight up. So let's see how this will be. Initiated another long position here at 803, price just at above 800s here, held this pullback, so line in the sun for this is this pullback low here for price to continue higher, looking to break out to new high here. Let's see, because this is kind of overextended and the way trading is just straight up and every little pullback is getting bought, so let's see if it will have the continuation. Out of the long here, no reason to hold this. Let's give some time to see how this will develop. If that was the top, perhaps a short against 800s for a pullback down to VWAP will be logical, but with this type of environment, not sure if I would like to trade short this. Price just once again above 800s. Took already 2 positions here for this continuation higher. Not sure if I would like to just keep doing the same thing here. Anyway, it was a very good trading session straight up, so don't wanna ruin this by taking few small losses here and then giving back all the day's gains. Okay, so here we are a few minutes until the European cash equity close. So if you have a summary of today's trading session, price opened here and immediately rallied straight towards the upside 700s, got long here, eventually held the position all the way up to 790s, two losing positions here due to this failure to sustain this uptrend, and then didn't like to place another trade even for the short side, as this is just below 800s 20 points here and choppily trading.